For many entrepreneurs and small business owners, understanding and navigating tax obligations can be one of the biggest hurdles. From figuring out your business structure's specific filing requirements, whether you're a sole proprietorship, an LLC, or an S-corp heir, to identifying eligible deductions that can save you significant money, it's a lot to keep track of. And let's be honest, nobody wants to pay more taxes than they absolutely have to, nor do they want to face penalties for errors or late filings. This is where LegalZoom's tax services come in. They aim to bridge the gap between complex tax regulations and your need for a straightforward, efficient filing experience. Think of it as having a knowledgeable guide by your side, helping you gather the right documents, understand your obligations, and ultimately, submit an accurate tax return. So, how exactly does LegalZoom help you file your taxes, and what should you expect from the process? Let's break it down step by step, making sure you're well equipped for tax season, whether it's just around the corner or months away. First and foremost, before you even think about logging into any tax software, the golden rule of tax filing is preparation. LegalZoom emphasizes this significantly, and for good reason. They can't magically conjure up your financial records. This means having all your income and expense documents meticulously organized. We're talking bank statements, credit card statements, invoices, receipts, essentially anything that shows money coming in or going out for your business. If you're a single-member LLC or a sole proprietorship, this also extends to your personal income and expenses, as your business income is typically reported on your personal tax return, Schedule C of Form 1040. LegalZoom offers tools like LZBooks, their own accounting software, which can be incredibly helpful for ongoing record-keeping. It allows you to connect your business bank accounts, auto-categorize transactions, send invoices, and track payments. This proactive approach throughout the year dramatically simplifies the tax preparation phase. If you use other accounting software like QuickBooks Online, LegalZoom also provides guidance on how to ensure your data is properly recorded and reconciled, ready for tax season. The cleaner your books are, the smoother your tax filing experience will be. Once your financial records are in order, the next crucial step is determining your business structure and the corresponding tax forms you'll need. This is an area where LegalZoom's expertise truly shines. Different business entities have different filing requirements. For example, sole proprietorships and single-member LLCs are generally treated as disregarded entities by the IRS. This means your business income and expenses are typically reported on Schedule C of your personal Form 1040. Partnerships and multi-member LLCs usually file Form 1065, a U.S. return of partnership income. While the partnership itself doesn't pay income tax directly, it passes through the income or loss to its partners, who then report their share on their individual returns using a Schedule K-1. S-corporations file Form 1120s. Similar to partnerships, S-corp are pass-through entities and shareholders receive a Schedule K-1 to report their share of income or losses on their personal returns. C-corporations are unique in that they pay federal income taxes directly. They file Form 1120. LegalZoom provides clear guidance on which forms apply to your specific business structure, helping you avoid common pitfalls. Their platform is designed to walk you through the necessary inputs for these forms, ensuring you provide all the required information, from your business name and address to your tax identification number and accounting method. They have sections dedicated to common business income and expense categories, such as advertising, insurance, legal fees, office expenses, and more. And for those unique deductions, there's usually a section to list them separately. A significant advantage of using LegalZoom for your taxes is their emphasis on identifying potential tax deductions and credits. Many small business owners leave money on the table simply because they aren't aware of all the legitimate deductions they can claim. LegalZoom, through their educational resources and guided process, can help you uncover these opportunities. Common deductions for LLCs and small businesses can include rental expenses for your office space, home office deductions, the cost of business supplies, depreciation of assets like equipment, charitable contributions, insurance premiums, healthcare expenses, and bank fees related to your business. LegalZoom also offers various levels of support. While their online platform guides you through the process, They also provide access to tax professionals and resources for more complex situations. This can include consultations with 1-800 accountant, a partner service, or access to articles and guides that delve deeper into specific tax topics. If you encounter an audit, LegalZoom often offers audit support for up to 3 years from the filing date, provided you have an active LZ tax plan subscription. This can provide immense peace of mind, knowing you have professional backing if the IRS comes calling. It's important to note that while LegalZoom aims to simplify the process, you are ultimately responsible for the accuracy of the information you provide. They offer guarantees, like their 100% accuracy guarantee, where they'll cover penalties and interest if an error on a return they prepare is due to their mistake. However, this guarantee is contingent on you providing complete, accurate, and consistent information. This circles back to the initial point. Robust record-keeping is paramount. When it comes to pricing, LegalZoom offers different packages for its business formation services, which sometimes include tax-related benefits like a free tax consult. For dedicated tax preparation services, you'll need to explore their specific tax offerings, which are separate from their general business formation packages. It's always wise to compare their pricing and services with other tax preparation software and accountants to ensure it aligns with your budget and needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.